Ladies and gentlemen, it's my pleasure to talk to you today about one of the most innovative devices of our time, AirPods. These tiny earbuds are not only stylish but also have revolutionized the way we listen to music and interact with our devices. Firstly, let's discuss the advantages of AirPods. They are incredibly convenient, allowing you to listen to music, take calls, and interact with Siri without having to reach for your phone. AirPods are also wireless, making them perfect for workouts, commutes, or any activity that requires you to be on the go. But that's not all. AirPods also have some fantastic features that make them stand out from the crowd. For example, they use advanced sensors and microphones to detect when they're in your ears and pause the music when you take them out. Additionally, AirPods can sense when you're talking and automatically reduce background noise to make your voice clearer. Now, let's move on to some top tips for using your AirPods. First, ensure that your AirPods are clean and dry, as moisture can damage the internal components. Second, you can customize the double tap feature on each earbud to activate different functions, such as skipping a song or activating Siri. Third, if you're having trouble connecting your AirPods to your device, try resetting them by holding down the setup button on the back of the case. But with so many options of AirPods available in the market, which one is the best? Well, the answer is subjective, as it depends on your personal preferences and budget. The AirPods Pro, for example, has noise-canceling features and customizable fit options, while the AirPods Max offers high-fidelity sound and a comfortable over-ear design. Whichever option you choose, you can rest assured that you're getting a quality product that's designed to enhance your listening experience. However, as with any technological device, there are concerns about the potential impact of AirPods on our health. Some people worry that prolonged exposure to Bluetooth radiation could cause cancer or other health problems. While there is no conclusive evidence to support this claim, it's always essential to be mindful of the potential risks and take precautions such as limiting your exposure or switching to wired headphones occasionally. In conclusion, AirPods are more than just a fashionable accessory or a convenient gadget. They're a game changer that has transformed the way we interact with our devices and listen to music. With their advanced features and customizable settings, AirPods have become an indispensable tool for many people. So go ahead and give them a try. Who knows, you might just be surprised by how much they enhance your daily routine. Thank you.